and Wild Dog Power programming complete.
I'll give it a try. Thank you very much. Insert Wild Dog Power Disc. Touch Wild Dog. Activate Wild Dog Powers. Yeah! Woohoo! You look like a dog person to me. Hey, I activated Wild Dog Powers, but I'm still a cat person. Hey, I like your patch there. Nice swirl and swoosh. Ooh, thanks.
Hey, Rose, it looks like the pack of wild dogs have returned to their den site.
Could a den site mean puppies?
They're so cute.
I love wild dog puppies. Okay, I admit it. Puppies are cute. Done yet? Done. I still have to name them all. Okay, and I'll name you Swish. Call you Splash. And you, Pumpkin Face. Hey, the wild dogs are talking about hunting.